vlog. It's day 2, December 2nd. This is my fit. This jacket is thrifted. This top is from Uniqlo. These pants are thrifted also, and then the boots. These boots are from Walmart. This is from Shein, and I'm getting ready to go to work at the coffee shop with RR and Jacob. So yeah, see you there. Made it to the source. Say hi.
You want me to say something?
Say hi.
Well, hello.
Okay.
This is the first one.
It's the second day.
The second day. Hi.
Working hard or hardly working? You wanna unbox with me? You're so ugly. Wow.
Tell me it's all Momo. Oh my god, Nori, do this right now.
No, never. Right here. Sup? Oh, wait, this isn't sup.
Spicy.
This is pelicana.
Oh my.
Soy.
Soy?
That's it. Chicken fries. And tteokbokki. Hot. It's a video. Oh no, it's not.
Focus.
You can download the video and the image.
Most usually.
No, it's Ivan. Like, we dress opposite.
It's so cute.
Like, I
No.
grew up watching, like, magical girl anime.
Where are we? Talk.
Hello, we're watching Artisan Noodle. Today we're starting off with some spicy wontons. This is Nori's vlog, and I'm guest co-hosting. My name is Jamal Flores.
That was EBC's Jamel Flores. This is the what is it?
Shanghai beef noodle.
Beef noodle.
Hello everyone. Today we're having the pork belly noodle, but cold noodle. 감사합니다.
Kiko. Good morning. Good morning, Kiko. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are on the way to Neighbors to do brunch. Yeah. It's gonna be a short day here in Vegas because I need to go home around 2. And it's already almost 10:30. Why are you angry?
It's bright.
Nutella, strawberry and cream Pop-Tart, maple star.
Jamal.
Excited? You always just wave to the camera. You're so annoying. So obviously I'm home. I just got back from driving from Vegas, like 6:30ish. And yeah, it was a short trip, but I thought it was fulfilling. It was nice to see Jamal. Also, I got my cricut, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. Other than that, I'm kind of glad that I came home a little earlier because today is Sunday and tomorrow's work again. So I have a little bit of time to just relax and have some time to myself and the cricut. So yeah, nice. Okay, hi guys. I made space on my desk. So now I'm gonna unbox it. Yay. Why is it open already? So this is the Cricut Explore Air 2. And it does come with a vinyl bundle. So that is 40 sheets of Cricut vinyl, transfer tape, weeder, and scraper. Wow! Can you see this? flower. It'll fit perfectly on the side of my desk. Fun! Wow! ASMR time. Taking out the plastic wrap. Hey guys, it's still Sunday. I mean, technically now it's Monday because it's past midnight. But I'm trying to use design space on my Cricut and it keeps updating. And it's been like this for like the past hour or so. I don't know what to do, but I need to go to sleep. We'll figure it out tomorrow, I guess. Good night.